Increasing your Afterpay pays limit after a late payment is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can increase the Afterpay pay limit after late payment. So for that, we will go to the Afterpay website. Make sure you are at any of your browser, not the app, and then you just have to go to their website, of course. And in their website, you just have to scroll down till you see the footer. At the footer, you just have to click on help under support section, and it will take you to this page. Now here you will see a search bar. You just have to type in I missed a payment. I missed a payment. What happens to my account? You just have to open this up. What it is, it will give you a whole lot of instruction that how you guys and what you guys can do if you accidentally miss a payment. You just have to click on this get in touch. What it will do is it will take you to this page. Now here you guys can select any of the option you want to choose, any of the complaint or the solution you're looking for your problem. You just have to select the problem and they will provide you with the suitable solution. So that's pretty much it. That's how to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.